one of the things that I noticed when we first got here, there was a line of people waiting to get in. And since then, the audience has grown. I've also just saw the hologram with Most Def and Melvin, the astronaut.
Greetings, fellow explorers.
I noticed that the young people, as they saw it, they were really excited to see a rapper, actor, along with an astronaut who was flown into outer space, and the way that they related to sound waves and tied into science, math, as well as to hip-hop. It's just a phenomenal event.
Hey, Most, thank you for the introduction.
No doubt. Peace. Good to see you.
Peace, bro. It's great to share with Most Def here. This stage, as you all well know.
This one kind of got back together.
I see a lot of wide-eyed little kids and a lot of wide-eyed adults that are like, wow, I didn't know this was up here.
They're obviously very excited. If you'll notice, the younger kids, say younger than 10, are very, I think a lot of us are tactile learners, which is maybe why schools in the past have kind of missed certain students. They're out there putting their hands and applied. Everything is applied right now, and there's a lot of excitement, a lot of interaction, and for example, there's a lot of kids watching the rover right outside the room here.
Yes, you're making the robot though.
Today, when we got the kids driving the rovers, a couple things happened. The rovers broke, and as they do, the kid drove this thing and flew up over the rock, spun around, the antenna broke. So right the first time we drove it, so we had to throttle it back a little bit. But the kids were really engaged in watching that process of how we repaired the rover and how we had to figure out something, because we didn't have the right parts. We basically had to take something else apart and make an antenna, and so that's what you call kind of discovery-based learning. And they're learning what they have to do because they have to solve this. The students in doing other activities, yeah, they're loving it. They're loving it, especially the young ones. They really can see that anything's possible. No one's put an idea in their mind that they can't do something. It's all available.
I'm just going to get off the mic and introduce to you my very good friend. This is Goapele. Step into the stage.
This event is really important because it is an event that we're getting the young people that might not have thought about science and math, being here in Oakland, where some of the most capable people are, but haven't traditionally been where people have gone into the space area, is really exciting. And this is really a first here.
3, 2, 1, blast off!
This is about inspiration and creativity, about exploration. Science is not really the province just for a few, it's really for all of us. And we at NASA are doing some really exciting things in exploration, in aeronautics, science.
The technology that they will be working to when some of these young people grow up has not been developed. We want them to learn, to go to school, to go to college, to get their degrees in engineering and math so that they can come in and help us with this new technology so that they can help us go to Mars, Moon, and other missions into outer space.
And whether you want to travel towards the stars like myself or become a star like Most Def, it is important to strive towards achieving your dreams and to put the work necessary into those dreams to make them a reality.
My hope is that by this event there is some astronauts, scientists, some entertainer who, because they were here on September the 5th, 2010, they're going to be the next astronaut. They're going to be the next person that is going to find a cure, save the world, or something like that. We might be in the midst of the next president of the United States just at this event here.
And whether we are stars in science or on stage or screen, to quote Sly and the Family Stone, everybody's a star.
Exactly.
And we can all light up the world and make it a little bit brighter, a little more radiant, a little better than it was than when we got here.
Exactly. Yeah. Peace, my brother.
God bless now.